Hello friends, I'm Allison. For today's video, we're doing a quick 15-minute core session. If you haven't done it yet, make sure to tap the subscribe button and the bell to stay notified with the latest fitness videos released every Mondays and Thursdays. You don't need any equipment except a mat. I'll be cueing all the moves, but definitely take it at your own pace and take extra breaks if you need to. So grab your mat and let's get started. Let's go ahead and start on your back. We're going to begin with a dead bug move and gradually progress that into our first big exercise. Okay, so for dead bugs, we're going to have those legs at tabletop position, pull the belly button to spine, and retract the shoulder blades so they're down on the ground. Lift those arms, and when you're ready, join me, alternating right arm, left leg, and then left arm, right leg. Making sure there's no space between that lower back and the floor. For this first few, I'm keeping my head down on the ground. Remember, you can always go back to this version as I progress. Inhale, exhale. All right, one more like this. You can stay here, or if you can join me, shoulder blades off the ground, head is lifted. Continue that same move. Feel the difference now. Yes. Inhale, exhale. You got it. In 3, 2, and stop. If your head was up, drop the head, hug the knees in. All right, taking a similar version of that dead bug. Starting up, we're going to take opposite elbow towards opposite knee, other leg extends, center up, rotate, and in. So when you're ready, go ahead and join me here. Just like before, lower back staying pressed to the ground. If this bothers your neck, you can rest in between, right? Up to you. Whew. We're gonna go about 15 more seconds. Yes, breathe. Really feeling those obliques. In 5, 4, 3, get one more in, and then drop the head, rock it out. Good job. Okay, let's go ahead and take those legs down. I'm gonna go into a butterfly position. Feet are together, open up the knees. Now, with those hands, we're gonna do a unicorn. So we're gonna have pointer fingers and thumbs together. Other fingers are interlocked. Bring it up around the ears. Inhale, exhale, crunch up. Again, high enough, shoulder blades off the mat. And then slowly bring it down. Exhale, lift, inhale, lower. We're gonna go 30 seconds in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Exhale, inhale. If you are not feeling this unicorn crunch, I want you to do traditional crunches up and down, hands light behind the head. This is just a different version of that crunch, changing that leg position. It is a little more challenging, but remember, you always have options. You're never stuck with one thing. Woo. Keep it up, keep it up. Lift up and down. Good, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and stop. Very good. All right, bring those knees in and actually have the knees touching. Now drop them over to your right side. We're gonna work that love handle area, right? Our external obliques. Hands like behind the head. When you're ready, we're gonna crunch up and down. Let's go. Lift up. We're gonna go for count here. 9. There's 8. Exhale, 7. Good. 6. 5. In 4, watch me. I'm gonna do a hesitation twist over. 3, 2, you rest, watch my first one. I'm gonna crunch center, then rotate over, center and down. Join me here, 5 of these. Center and lower. Here's 4, twist. Good, 3, keep it up. Ooh, 2 more. Lift, twist, center, 1 more right here. Lift up, twist, center down, relax for a moment. And last thing on this side before we switch. Extend the top leg, shoulder towards the knee, twist over and extend. We have 10 of these. Let's do it. 10, 9, 8, good, 7, big crunch, 6, 5, last 4, 3, in 2, and 1 more. Good job. Center up, shake it out. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So when you're ready, knees together, let's drop them over to the left. Ready? 10 crunches in the center. Lift up and lower. There's 9. 8, high enough shoulder blades up. 6, you're doing great. 5, last 4, Whew. 3, we're gonna go right to those hesitations for 5. 2, and 1 more. Center, rotate, 5 of these. Up, twist, you got it. Center and down, nice transition. Whew. 3 more here. Exhale, up, twist, center, down. There's 2. 1 more, 1 more. Lift this up. I will give you a short break till we lift the legs. Take a breath. Extend the leg. When you're ready, 10 with that knee drive in. Let's do it. 10. Whew. 9. Exhale, 8. 7. You got it. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Center up, hug those knees in. If you need to, grab a quick drink, and I'll meet you in a sideline position. Welcome back. Choose a side to begin with. We're gonna do 2 different moves and do them all on one side and then switch the other way. All right, starting off, we're gonna have our hand down, inside knee down, hip is up, leg extended. We're going to take it to a crunch, driving the elbow towards the top of the thigh, extend, and then lift both up and down. So the combo is in, out, up and down. We're gonna go for 10 of those. Now, if it is not comfortable on your wrist, feel free to take it down onto your elbow and do the same thing, up, and then lift up and down. Okay, I'll give you a few moments to get in position. Hand or elbow down, knees down, arms up. Let's do it. Crunch, lift, up, there's 10. Big exhale. Whew. 8. You got it. 7. I know these start to kick in about halfway through, around now. Yes. 5. That's the halfway point. 4. 3. Good job. Feeling those outer thighs and glutes, right? And 1 more. Whew. Good. Go ahead and put that booty down. Drop the elbow if you're on your hand. Now for this next one, I'm gonna give you 2 different versions, advanced and a lower version. Advanced, legs are up. I'm gonna rotate over and then kick both feet up, reaching towards that inside foot. Modified version, I'm gonna keep this heel down. Take just that other leg and reach and curl. All right, same thing, we have 10 repetitions. So if you'd like to start with the advanced, and then if you start to lose form or get fatigued, feel free to drop to the single leg. Ready? Let's go. Crunch. Reach, there's 10. Whew. 9. Good. 8. I'm gonna go to modified, show you that. 6. Awesome, halfway. 4. Whew. 3. You can do it, 2 more. And 1 more here. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and swivel it around. Other side. We'll start in that side plank position, hand or elbow down. Inside knee is on the ground. And remember, we're lifting the leg up, or actually we're crunching in first and then lifting the leg. All right, so get in position. All right, ready? Take a breath. And let's do it, 10 of these. In, out, lift. That's 10. So core stabilization, watch your balance. 8. Good. 7. Another base leg's working as well, feeling it. Halfway. 5, make it big. 4. Come on, 3 more. Last 2. Woo. 1 more. Fantastic. Drop it down, pop that hip down, elbow in. Quick review. Here's the double and the single. Choose what you like best, 10 repetitions. All right, I'm gonna give you an extra 5 seconds to kind of breathe it out. Ready? Legs up, and let's go. In, out, lift for 10. Woo. 9. Yes. 8. 7. You're doing great. 6. Remember, here's that modified version if you need to drop down. 5. 4. Last 3. Woo. And 1 more right there. Boom. Good job. All right, we're almost done with this workout. Last couple things. flip it over into tabletop position. We're gonna transition between bear plank and high plank. So with this move, embrace the core. Knees are hovering off the ground. We're extending out, out, in, out, out, in. Go ahead and lead with that same leg going back. We're gonna go 20 seconds on that side, and then we'll lead with the other leg for 20 seconds. Now, if your wrists are really bothering you with those planks in that position, go ahead and either just hold a forearm plank, knees or toes. That's perfectly fine. All right, ready? Go into bear in 3, 2, 1. Pick a side, back, back, in. Shoulders and hips are steady. Breathe. If you're not feeling the transition, you hold a steady forearm or high plank. Whew. All right, in 6 seconds, we're switching legs. 3, 2, on your next one, switch. Other leg leads, out and in. After this, we only have one low back exercise and you're done. Quick core. Perfect, 10 seconds. Come on. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Finish in bear, drop the knees, sink back and stretch. Deep breath, inhale. Exhale out, and do that once more. We are finishing with a set of bird dogs, and for these bird dogs, we're gonna add that external little rotation. So tabletop position, opposite arm, opposite leg, we extend, we swivel outward, bring it in, center, and then do the other side. One set for 30 seconds. Take it at your own pace. In 4, 3, 2, let's do it. Up, in, and down. Nice and long with the arms and legs. Kind of like you're driving those fingertips towards the wall in front of you, kicking that foot back towards the wall behind you. Hips nice and steady. Good. You only have 10 seconds left. Whew. Last 5, 4, can you get one more in? 3, 2, and stop. Hands down, let's go into a frog position. Knees the width of your mat, sink back in those heels. Deep breath, inhale. Exhale, let it out. Good, do it again. From here, you can either stay with this or you can add some frog rockers. If you know my routines, I do this one a lot. Rock forward and then exhale, sink back. Whew. Really rounding those shoulders, lifting that heart and chest. Good. And do one more and sink back and hold. And then gently bring it up. Good. Go ahead and take a seat. Let's do a couple light stretches. One hand down, or you can take your forearm down, other arm up and over. Turn and look at that ceiling, stretching out through the sides. You did an incredible job today. Whether you did this by itself or you stacked it on top of another workout, it's all good. This one's definitely one to save. Inhale, exhale. Windmill the arms, go the other side. Again, I like the forearm down because I get a deeper stretch on the sides, but if that's too intense, you stay here. Very nice. Center up, interlock behind, open up the chest and heart, and give me a deep breath in. Exhale out. Arms in front, round the upper back, dip the chin. Inhale, reach all the way up to the ceiling and let it all go. Great job. You're all done for today. Great job on completing that workout. If you haven't done it yet, make sure to tap the subscribe button and the bell to stay notified with the latest fitness videos released every Mondays and Thursdays. If you have any workout requests, please leave a comment in this video. My name is Allison. Thank you so much for working out with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time.